The southern German retail chain V-Markt is ensuring future-proofing in its distribution warehouse with WAMAS Core WMS from SSI SCHAEFER. The powerful warehouse management software ensures efficient processes with standardized ready-to-use processes, from goods receipt to goods issue, including complete server infrastructure. One solution, one partner. Everything from a single source. The implementation took place step by step during ongoing operations. The warehouse was successfully migrated to the new software system segment by segment, from frozen and fresh goods to non-food items. Thanks to full transparency across all warehouse processes and optimized material flows, this long-established company reliably and efficiently supplies 62 stores in southern Germany. Based on a trusting partnership, the Intralogistics solution provides scalability and security.